Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, to those who are new, and to those who've been subscribed to this channel, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. So to those who have been subscribed to this channel, they know by now that it is a culture to unbox and this family. So today we are doing yet another unboxing, but this is a different unboxing. It's clients unboxing. So if my clients do agree for an unboxing on a video, I think I'll be doing those unboxings and reviews. So I did tell you guys that I do some consultation if you do want to buy and you feel you're not sure how to go about it. I did say I charge 10% of the total cost of everything. So I did have a client who wanted phones, and I do not deal with phones. What a client has to do is just to look for what they want on Alibaba and then send links, and then I'll do the rest. So here we go. This is the first phone. It was open. I think they did open it at the customs. I just want you to see the quality. So as I have said, that I do charge 10% of the total amount of what we have bought. So I just opened the first one, which was open, and so this is the phone which he bought, and this is how it looks like. I will also just plug for you the picture of the phone on. It looks good, it's not bad. I'll plug the picture of the phone on the screen for you to see. So yeah, this is fairly fine and fairly nice. It comes with the earphones and also the charger, and it is a smartphone. I will not read the specs, but I will surely get back to you when he tells me how the phones are functioning, and I'll tell you how he's experiencing these phones. So here again, there are phones. He bought 3 phones. So I just want to unbox and see before I give them. And again, he did agree that I open them. He did agree that I do a video, because it's not like the first client I have bought for. So here there are also 2 phones. Let's just see. And these phones were bought at the same company. So the package does come is the same. The package is the same, and it's nice. And these phones are made in China, and it's also black, color black, but there are colors now. The color black is sort of like a blue. So this is the other phone. I think it's the same phone. It's the same phone. They look the same. So it comes with 3 cameras. The black looks bluish. Oh, but no, it's actually fine. Okay, and also the details of how you remove the back of the phone, and everything is there. And also this phone comes in with the charger and cable, and there's a manual for, and also earphones. there's a manual for him to read and just get everything right. So yeah, he bought 3 phones, and 2 of them are similar. And the other one has about 5. I think the most expensive was the one which I showed you first. It has 5 cameras at the back. Let me just show you again. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will certainly do find out how the picture quality of this phone is like. They look all good. They look nice. I like the packaging. They got here in one piece. So I won't open the other one because it's the same. So that's it. So altogether, I think these phones, including transport, they could have been 200 and something. I haven't calculated yet, but I will surely put the price on this video after I do the calculation. So from the assistance which he has given me, I obviously then, from the assistance which I have given him, I obviously then get 10% of the total figure of what he has purchased, and also I do include the transportation, and then I get my 10%. So these phones are ready to be delivered to him. I am going to meet him later on today at around 3 just to give him his phones, and then he will give me feedback of how his phones are going. So yeah, that's what I do. Also, I also do the consultation, as all of those who have been asking, oh no, the first time I do not want to buy on my own, I want assistance. Yes, I also do that type of consultation. That type of consultation has a fixed figure. You pay $20 for me to just take you through the app, and also for me to shop with you, and so that I guide you and also show you how you can get proper like legit companies within the app for the first time if you haven't yet gained confidence. So that's it. If you're in Zimbabwe, I can always do that. I can always take you through and also just show you how to go about it at that minimum price. So that's it from me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till we meet on the next one. Cheers. Bye.